Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do safety check on your Chrome browser. So in order to do that, you can click three dot at the top right corner of your screen and click settings. Here you can click on privacy and security, and here under the safety check you can go to the safety check. Chrome regularly checks to make sure your browser has the safest settings, and Chrome let you know if anything needs your review. Click on go to safety check and safety at a glance. No save password. Chrome can check your password when you save them, so I don't need password because this is my personal computer. And this is Chrome is up to date. You have to keep up to date on your Chrome, and safe browsing is on, so I turn on safe browsing feature on my Chrome. If you click it, I'm using the standard protection, not the enhanced one. Go back and Chrome is up to date. And if you click password, you can like add password that Google Password Manager can check your password when you save them, and so on. Nothing else needs your attention right now. Chrome will let you know if anything needs your review. Like you can access tools from Chrome and Chrome Incognito and safe browsing. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, or click the text button below. See you in the next video.